Hello year one. For today's activity, I've asked you to make a dish that you would usually eat at your favourite celebration. So for me, I'm going to make some roti, which is a dish that I eat a lot at all of the celebrations that we have. I'm from a country called Guyana where they like to eat roti at most celebrations. So I'm going to need a mixing bowl, a spoon, some yeast, some self-raising flour, some vegetable oil and a rolling pin. Okay, so I'm going to start by pouring some flour. I'm just going to do a little bit because I'm only going to make a few. So we've got some flour in the bowl. I'm going to sprinkle in some yeast. Oh, I forgot the salt. Need a bit of salt as well. A pinch of salt. And then a little bit of warm water. And then I'm going to try and mix it together to form a dough. So it's still a bit floury, so I'm going to have to put some more water in there just to make the dough the right consistency. Okay, so now I've made my dough and then I've floured the surface. Just going to get the flour on there so it's not sticky. And now you just need to knead the dough, which is, when you do this, just to get the air out of it. So you just fold it and push it. You don't need to knead it for too long, just so that it's all together. And then once you feel like it's all together, roll it out into a sausage shape. Okay, and then we get a knife. And just cut it into different sections. Okay, so I'm just going to roll each part into a ball. Like this. Okay, and then the next step is to roll the ball out into a circle shape. Circle. Okay, so once you've done that, you then get your oil, dip your fingers in the oil, and then spread the oil onto the top of your dough. And then you have to take your dough and you need to roll it like this, kind of stretch it as you go. Like that. And then you need to spiral it like this and stick the end into the middle. Okay, so then you do that with all of your balls of dough. Okay, so once you've done that with all of your balls of dough, the next step is to roll this out as flat as you can. So try and put it on a nice floury surface that it doesn't get stuck. And then you roll it out. Nice and flat. Okay. And then you need to put a pan onto the hob and brush it with some oil, so you get an adult to do that for you. And then when it's nice and hot, get your adult to place your dough, your flat dough, into the pan, and then just wait a few moments until you can see it bubbling up a bit. Flip it over for another minute and then take it out, and then your roti's finished. So I'll do that now and then show you what happens. Okay, so when you get your roti out of the pan, we just need to do something that's called clapping the roti, and that's just to get some air pockets into it. So you pick it up and then you just slap it together like this, and that creates some air pockets in it, and then you fold it over and do the next one. Okay, so when you've finished, your roti would look like this, and then it's usually eaten with curry on the side. So you can either have your curried food in the middle of the roti and wrapped, and it could be served like that, or it's sometimes served just on the side with your curry, and then you just rip a bit of the roti and scoop your curry up and eat it. So as I said, this is used in most festivals or celebrations in Guyana. So I can't wait to see what your food is for your favourite festival or celebration. I'm looking forward to it.